Good morning, everybody. It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning, we have the privilege of having Mr. Wayne Lee, the owner of the first Burmese restaurant in San Francisco, California, prepare a very popular Burmese dish known as Ono Khao Soi. And I'm gonna show you that right now. Ono Khao Soi's origination is from Burma, now known as Myanmar. And yes, again, we have the awesome privilege of having Mr. Lee prepare this wonderful, delicious meal.
Roasted bean powder.
Roasted bean powder.
Yeah, I had to dilute it in water, little by little. Otherwise, you don't make it smooth, and they're gonna be, rot. Not the soup not smooth. This is basically the chicken broth with the onion. Here's about big onion, about I would say 6 of them, big onion. And then about 6 pounds of chicken leg, chicken thigh or whatever, but just use the broth, use it as the broth. The meat, we cook it away. In order to make it thick, we use the bean powder. Make the soup thick with the bean powder. Stirring it until you don't feel the pressure underneath it, the stick underneath it.
So right now, coconut milk is being added into the pot of broth. That chicken broth, also mixed in with that bean paste, which was watered down. And now we have the coconut base poured into the soup.
Smelling good.
So with this mixture, this completes the soup base for the Ono Khao Soi. But the steps are not yet complete, but this is definitely one of the major steps in getting that soup prepared for the final process.
Turmeric powder.
So mix the soup better by adding the turmeric powder.
Yeah. Color wise, taste wise. Just a little bit.
So this gives it more flavor?
Yeah, flavor and color.
So he just added the turmeric powder into the soup because that gives it more flavor and more color. If you've ever had Ono Khao Soi before, there's this yellow tinge that really sticks out to it. That's how I identify Ono Khao Soi. So that's that color with that flavor from that turmeric.
Prepare this onion for the soup.
So he's gonna put 6 of these onions that you see here cut into the soup, just like this, in these type of cubes. And also 6 pounds of chicken thighs will be added into the soup as well. Getting very hungry.
Chicken leg.
So, I have no shirt on. What's in the pool just now? Cumin. Ground cumin. There it is. So it looks like he's going to, as soon as he got done cutting those chicken into cubes, he begins to marinate it with the ground cumin and some brown sugar as well. So he's gonna mix that up and that's about 6 pounds of chicken leg that we're using in cubes. And he also mentioned fish sauce as well, so we're gonna see that process unfold. what he's gonna do is he's gonna leave that chicken in the pot, beginning to marinate for about half an hour. So we're gonna come back right to that as soon as that's done. All right, so we're gonna get some footage here of the place we've been staying at for a good week here in Sonoma. A beautiful place. You can see here the lush lawn. You can see the swimming pool. Some of the other kids are playing in the pool. Some are inside. And look at this beautiful pool. Look at this pool. This pool is just like nice and clear, nice and clean. Here we are.
You call it tamarind or?
Oh, paprika.
Yeah, paprika.
Okay, so this is oil with paprika.
Okay.
Oil in the pan. And we're gonna mix the paprika in the oil with the pan. It's gonna heat up and produce a type of dressing for the chicken.
Deep fried garlic and the onion.
Yeah. Okay. Good. We're gonna pour the chicken into the pot. So that chicken is going to go ahead and be stir fried in the pot there. So he's added the minced dried garlic slices, and then added the chicken, which has been already marinated for a good half an hour. And I just want to say real quick, I didn't mention this earlier, it's actually about 3 pounds of chicken legs, boneless and skinless, and chopped it into cubes. So he's rendering that chicken, getting it stir fried, and I want to say at about on a high heat actually. This is curry powder that he's adding in there, and then we're also adding some turmeric. Some turmeric is being added to the chicken stir fry, and you can give that a good mix. Make sure that gets absorbed into the chicken. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. The smells are beginning to come out. My mouth is beginning to water. I'm becoming very, very hungry now. And the other ingredient he's also adding is the paprika to give it some good reddish color for the chicken. And then he's gonna give that a good mix. Yeah.
Smells good.
Smelling good. Looking good. Check that out. Yeah. Okay, we have the mighty fish sauce. Okay, you put some oil into the pan. Oh, that's more flavor, more of that nice oil, that grease, those. Oh yeah, you just gotta have it. You gotta add it in there. Oh, he's putting some chicken in there too. Oh, one of my favorite ingredients to add in these Asian dishes is the fish sauce. Fish sauce is used a lot in Asian cuisine. Oh, you can do a try. Oh, wow. Tender. Tender. That chicken is tender, really tender, real smooth. That sauce, those flavors stick out as you begin to chew it. It begins to melt in your mouth. Those flavors, excellent.
We got beats. Crazy beats.
So, got the finished version of the Ono cow soy right in front of me here. Excited to get down with it. You've seen the whole entire process, and now it's sitting right in front of me, ready for me to devour. Oh, that chicken that was marinated through that entire process, rendered, stir-fried, and as I'm eating it, its tenderness is just amazing. Different flavors inside of there. You have that chicken that was with that turmeric powder, some of the pepper, some of that paprika, that fish sauce, all absorbed into that chicken. Oh, it tastes so wonderful. Traditionally, they'll use a type of egg noodle strand. This is the curly egg noodle, which goes really good with it as well. Oh yeah, you taste that soup, that chicken broth, coconutty, turmeric soup with those onions that were just boiling. Perfect. And one thing I love about this, as I added on earlier, is that chili sauce. The chili oil just enhances the flavor of this ono khao soy to no avail. It's so good. This is one of those bowls where you don't really want to just talk. You kind of just want to go for it because it's so good. Again, those flavors just, oh, top notch. Number one. You got the egg, you got those egg noodles, you got the chicken, you have the cilantro, the limes, the peppers, that chili sauce, that turmeric, that pepper. The chef, master chef, did a great job of making this traditional ono khao soy meal. This peppy right here, a crispy addition to the ono khao soy, gives it a good crispy texture. Oh, yeah. You gotta have a little bit of crisp to it. Look at that clove of garlic. Now that was an awesome meal, an awesome experience to witness Mr. Wenli prepare that ono khao soy dish for everybody. Big thanks to him, and just a privilege to have him share his gift of Burmese cuisine with us. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off here. I'm probably just gonna relax here by the pool area. Yeah, so just want to go ahead and end this video here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you do like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll greatly appreciate that. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more street food and home cooking video updates from this channel. Peace out. I got you. I know what you're talking about. Okay. All right, so reaction.
Hot. He knows the camera's on. What's that? That's a camera. Say hi.
So I'm here in Sonoma, California, and
Are you gonna catch him? Where are you gonna put him?